We're still getting our guts into Jurassic World Dominion. Okay, we are on board with Ellie, Alan, and Ramsey. We have here the same classic scientific conversation aboard an airship that this saga always brings us, this time without much imagination. The point here is that Ramsey explains to them that the airspace is restricted to wildlife, a fact that we later know thanks to Kayla.
That's the aerial deterrent system.
We can shorten this scene, and we also take care of some helicopter inserts. Let's watch it again, but now fixed.
So Bison bought this land for the amber deposits back in the 90s, but we've managed to turn it into a safe haven for about 20 displaced species. The first generation came from Sorna. Most of the nublar dinosaurs are here too. It took Fish and Wildlife 3 years to catch the T-Rex.
Oh, the T-Rex is here.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Is that Dreadnoughtus?
Beautiful, right? Her name means fear nothing. Well, I guess you know that.
What do they graze on?
Hawthorne and fern. All indigenous, nothing stocked except for the deer populations, a great mezzanine species for the apex predator.
Oh, the apex predator.
Giganotosaurus. At least for now.
You don't let people in there, right?
No, our research outposts are connected completely underground. If we have to, we can just herd the animals remotely using a neuroimplant that sends electrical signals directly to the brain.
Like shocks.
No, like signals.
Strike you as a little bit,
Cruel?
cruel.
Do you know how much voltage was in the electric fences at Jurassic Park?
Yeah.
If you like the content and have the guts, give me a like and subscribe.